of his integrity, reputation. Hindi lang dahil sa looks, but then Persian Avenue is a reserved brand that really fits sa aming brand ambassador. Alright? Excited na ba kayo? Huwag na natin patagalin pa, Jai-Hope. Tulungan mo ako dito. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Paolo Templo Lapid. Palampakan naman natin siya. At alam ko lahat ay excited na. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, sabay-sabay po natin panoorin ito. Roll with the Avenues Duet Brand Ambassador. Let us all welcome Mr. Tito Dante!
Magandang hapon, Jayon. Magandang hapon, Essendorf. Kumusta kayo? Of course, Persian Avenue. Maraming salamat sa tiwala, Sir RJ at Sir Paolo, sa pagkuha niyo po sa akin. Excited na akong gampanan ang aking bagong tungkulin na maging brand ambassador ng Persian Avenue. Once again, sirs, thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Dingdong Dantes. Now, we would like to request the presence of the President of Persian Avenue, Mr. RJ Templo Lapid, the Vice President of Persian Avenue, Mr. Paolo Templo Lapid, and the President and CEO of PPL Entertainment, Mr. Perry Lansigan, para samahan po tayo at of course si Mr. Dingdong Dantes on stage for the contract signing. Once again, the President of Persian Avenue, Mr. RJ Templo Lapid, the Vice President of Persian Avenue, Mr. Paolo Templo Lapid, the President and CEO of PPL Entertainment, Mr. Perry Lansigan, and of course, the newest brand ambassador of Persian Avenue, Dingdong Dantes, mga kaibigan.
Sir RJ at kay Sir Paolo, narinig ko yung short story nila kung paano sila nag-umpisa. And true enough, naging saksi ako doon dahil while we were shooting, kitang-kita ko talaga how hands-on the brothers are, the whole family is. Isang bagay talaga na hinahangaan ko, lalong-lalo na for young entrepreneurs. Dahil syempre, marami talaga mga bago ngayon, marami mga bagong produkto. And ano ba yung mga kalidad, ay mga qualities o kaya yung mga katangian na talagang nakaka-relate ako. And the fact that it's run by a family who really help each other para mapatatag lalo yung negosyo na yun, doon bilib na ako. Plus the fact, of course, na syempre, alam din naman ako, alam ko rin yung mga iba na natikman ko na rin naman. But, of course, para sa akin, yung quality, lalo-lalo ng pita bread, yung paborito kong beef na walang masyadong, alam mo yung walang lipid talaga at all, walang lipid at all. Yung mga ganung bagay ba, siyempre. Gusto natin, perfect quality.
Thank you, Dong. For the brothers naman, ano yung nakita nyo kay Dingdong na fit talaga to be an endorser?
Hi po. Actually po, nung bago naman talaga namin ginawa si Sir Dong, wala naman iba kami talagang na-consider na. Kasi when it comes parang doon sa values namin, and then sa integrity nga ni Sir, nung talagang tinignan namin, parang yun siya yung nakita po namin na fit talaga para sa brand po namin. Kasi parang ever since nakita naman namin siya, saka parang sobrang okay lahat sa career, sobrang linis lahat yung mga na-witness namin sa kanya po. Kaya lang po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Susunod na magtatanong ni Risa Alno from Jim.
Hi, for the marketing, what do you look like, or for Miss Kay, what do you look forward to now that Dingdong is one of your endorser?
Okay. Actually, it's a bit challenging for the marketing na talagang lumaban in the industry. But of course, we have Mr. Dingdong Dantes beside us. We are very confident that this brand, Persian Avenue, will be top brand in the industry. Tama po ba? And of course, si Sir Dong, kasi talaga since start mo talaga, reputation po ba yung pinag-uusapan? Integrity? dignidad ba? O yung talagang pure na malinis doon sa industry? Sino pa ba? Siyempre, kung si Persian Avenue iningatan ng brothers ng sobra-sobra, pag kumuha kami ng endorser, no-brainer, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes po agad.
Follow up na lang. For Ding Dong, ano yung sa tingin mong pwede mong magawa or ano yung plan mong gawin to help promote Persian Avenue?
Alam mo, akala ko kanina paglabas ko sobrang happy na ako. Pero you made my day. Ano ba? Kaya sa totoo lang, ako po yung third endorser. Dahil yung unang dalawang endorser katabi ko. Diba? So syempre, hindi ko po kayo ipapahiya. Dahil alam ko kung ano yung pinaghirapan ninyo sa pagtaguyod at pagtatag nitong brand na ito. And I will do my best to represent your baby the best way that I can.
Maraming salamat. Talaga naman napakaganda ng vibes ngayong hapong ito sa ating launch ng newest brand ambassador. Of course, susunod naman tatanong from Stars Photog Vids, Alan Sancon.
Hello po, kay Sir Paolo. Tanong ka lang, I heard that you led the photo shoot of Ding Dong. How was the experience during the photo shoot?
Okay, during the preparation dun sa ginawang pictorial, yung team very excited. Hindi pa namin nami-meet si Sir Dong, pero yung spirit, parang everyday, we are very passionate to do it. At yung araw na pictorial na, ibang experience. Lalo na Sir, nung lumabas na si Sir Dong at hawak niya na yung beef wrap, talagang masasabi ko that moment, Persian Avenue, branded na ang Persian Avenue. Thank you.
Hey Sir Ding Dong, tanong ko lang po, how was the experience po ng photoshoot niyo with Persian Avenue? At any comment po dun sa sinabi nila regarding na branded na yung Persian Avenue because you are the endorser of it?
Totoo yan, kasi hindi pa nga nalulaunch. Habang nagsushoot kami, hawak ko yung produkto. Bawal kagatin eh. Pero sa sobrang takam na ako, sabi ko, Sir, pwede ba kainin ko na to? So ending, ang dami ko yung mga props na ibinigay. At syempre, pag uwi ko, marami pa akong dala para sa pamilya ko. Kaya talaga, solid yung merienda namin ng araw na yun.
Congratulations, Persian Avenue.
Thank you, Kuya Alan. Susunod naman na magtatanong, we have Rodel Fernando.
Kay Miss Kay, 4 years na ang operation ng Persian Avenue. Bakit ngayon lang kayo kumuha ng celebrity endorsement?
Kaya po ngayon lang, of course, kasi si brand, like what we said, it's very reserved. Ayaw po kasi namin na parang matulad din with other brands na pagkuha ng endorser. Of course po, pag may endorser na talaga, iba talaga yung effect na sa market. However, nagsasuffer kasi yung quality ng food and ng products namin. So what we did was, we perfect it first, inayos namin, inaral namin kung ano yung gusto ng market namin, kinuha namin lahat ng insights nila, only to find out that the Filipinos, not just the Filipinos, but the customers are somehow after sila sa quality. Then, after that, of course, after na ma-perfect namin, then makuha na namin yung market share namin together with the brand equity na meron ngayon sa Persian Avenue, nakita namin na, okay, this is the perfect timing para lumabas na si Sir Ding Dong Dantes for Persian Avenue.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Rodel. Susunod na magtatanong from Random Republica, Miss Kate Adahar.
Hi, sir. For Sir RJ and Sir Paolo, are you open to franchising and how many branches are there?
Regarding for our franchising po, just to share with you din, last November, inopen na po naman yung aming franchising. So far po, we're very happy na may mga bago kaming partners and unti-unti siyang nakikilala and continuous pa rin po yung mga nag-a-apply or mga nag-i-inquire regarding our franchising. Currently, we have 44 stores na and we're targeting to end po the 150 stores by 2019 po. Thank you.
For those who are interested in the franchise, where can they contact?
For the franchise po, they can contact po Ms. OB. Siya, nandito rin po siya. Siya po yung in-charge sa ating franchising.
And for Ding Dong, what's your favorite product or variant? Persian Avenue?
Bago yan, sir, yung application ko nandun na sa likod. Beef! Beef ako. Beef ako.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Kate. Ngayon, susunod last na panels.
Sir, Colin, Sir RJ, sa 45 years na tayo yung version natin, ano yung natutunan nyo sa business and kamusta yung growth ng business na version natin?
Regarding for the business, syempre nung una, inisip lang talaga namin, parang doon lang kami within the area, parang within the supermarket. Parang gusto lang namin na magkaroon lang ng negosyo talaga, yun lang. Pero habang palang ginagawa mo yung negosyo, hindi ka pwedeng hindi magiging hands-on. Parang marami ka bang laging kailangang matutunan o ma-discover. Kasi hindi pala yung kala naman dyan, tatayo mo lang siya, basta may negosyo ka. Yung pala parang from time to time, may mga struggles, may mga challenges. Yun yung mga kailangan mong i-improve. Lalo na pag nakakarinig ka ng mga feedbacks na kailangan namin asikasuhin. So, I think yun yung meron din kay Persian Avenue na mas lalo namin binabantayan at saka tinututukan pa.
Just want to add then, in Persian Avenue family, we call it a family. Nag-start lang, it's a family business. Yun yung lagi namin ini-impart, sinishare dong sa team. From our managers down to our service crews, palakpakan natin sila. Sobrang mahal na mahal namin sila. And lagi yung foundation, number one, of course, communication, respect, professionalism. That's our core values. Kaya I guess, naging successful si Persian Avenue. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Susunod na magtatanong, Sir Jojo of Manila Politin.
Ask nurse muna. I'll just ask about the name kasi it's Persian Avenue. Persia is Iran. I wonder why you named it after that when it could have been any other Middle Eastern country. Like it could have been Arabian Avenue or why did you choose Persian Avenue as name?
Actually, sir, we choose a Persian Avenue name talaga. Parang pag inano namin agad na pag sinabing Persian, parang pagtingin siya agad sa mga shawarma or wraps. Yun agad talaga yung pumasok sa amin. And then, with the twist of, because we're here in the Philippines, with the twist ng talagang Pinoy taste din talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung, ito yung mga number 1 ng customers natin dito eh. Pero kaya pinili namin yung Persian Avenue kasi parang yung agad yung name agad tumatak na. Yun yung sinaserve namin food. But of course, with the Filipino twist talaga.
Kay Dingdong naman, since usapang geography na tayo, and we know that your family loves to travel, have you been to any part of the Middle East with them?
Dubai. Bago kami kasal ni Maria, pumunta kami doon. But we're willing to explore that part, of course, ngayon na mas lalaki na yung pamilya namin.
I'd like to congratulate you because he has been named one of the most beautiful kids in Asia, di ba? Sa isang Vietnamese website. It's truly amazing na napakabata pa niya. She's making so many big strides already. I want to know if she asks you anything curious about the world that has taken you aback.
Well, you know, for example, last night, yung konsepto niya ng kwento, nandiyan eh. Gusto niya na nagpapakwento. So parang kagabi bago matulog, dahil meron kasi kaming 9-day novena for Marian's pregnancy, for her safe delivery. So naku-curious siya kung bakit ginagawa namin. So sabi namin, it's prayer, diba? It's praying the rosary. And then bakit kailangan gawin yun? So pinapaliwanag namin. So nandun yung curiosity niya para makinig at naiintindihan na niya kung ano yung kahalagahan ng mga ganung klase. So nakakatuwa na nandun siya sa stage niya. More than knowing other things, siguro it's best to keep her grounded and malaman talaga niya yung kanyang religion, di ba? Before anything else.
Thank you, congrats.
Maraming salamat, Sir Joe. Susunod natin ang Tita Aster Amoy.
Thank you, Jaimo. Firstly, I'd like to address this question muna sa brothers, no? Congratulations kasi you're so young, no? May we know how much did you, ang pinaka-puhunan nyo when you started the business? Kasi ang ganda ng pinagmulan nyo.
Actually, nag-start lang po talaga kami parang 100,000. Yun po yung namin. Kasi nga po, parang ultimo yung cart namin dati. Pinagawa lang namin sa karpintero na simple lang. And then, wala pa kaming signages doon. Meron lang yung paniflex lang or parang tarpaulin lang talaga. Very simple po talaga. Kaya hindi namin ina-expect na yung umpisa, magiging ganito siya. At ngayon nga, meron na kaming brand ambassador, Persian Avenue.
Thank you. Dong. Dong, congratulations. Pari-pareho na kayong successful celebrity endorsers ng wife mo at of course si Sia. Is there a possibility na kayong tatlo magsama-sama sa isang commercial?
Well, syempre, that would be very nice. In fact, when Zia was 1 year old, meron po kami mga produkto na ginawa na magkakasama. And syempre, masaya kapag yung mga katrabaho mo, yung mahal na mahal mo, hindi ko ba? So, that would be very nice kung mangyari po ulit sa amin yan.
At a very young age, si Sia kumikita na. What do you do with her money?
That's hers. So, my duty is to protect it and make sure that hindi maglaho yun. Kailangan mas dumami pa, mas dumami. Dahil sa kanya talaga.
Thank you. And lastly, when is Marian due to give birth?
Ano na, siguro, in a few weeks or almost a month. So, mga ganun po. Medyo malapit-lapit na talaga. Kaya hindi na ako pwede masyadong lumayo-layo sa Metro Manila.
Okay, congratulations. By the way, may name na kayong nakahanda? Ayaw niyo ba i-reveal?
Hindi, may pinagpipilian ko last minute. So, siguro paglobas na.
Ngayon pala, congratulations.
Salamat
Thank you.
po.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating question.